Hello, today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your iPhone. In this moment, you can take a screenshot all day long in every situation. And everything what is shown on the screen will be saved in a picture immediately. And I will show you how to capture your display by using an Apple onboard device service. Let's start with the screenshot. The screenshot is easy. It will shot everything what you are going to see on the screen right now. You can or you have to use for this volume up and the power button. Both you have to push at the same time, and you can hear. Here we are. You get a screenshot, and you can edit it. You can adjust it a little bit. You can paint a little bit, as you can see, by using these tools on the bottom side. You can transform it. You can delete something on it. You can delete it itself. You can send it to another device. You can undo your process, etc. And you can navigate your dimensions. Then you can save it by done. Save to photos or save to files or delete the screenshot. Let's save this to photos. And here we can see, now we go to photos and see the photo will stored in it. So all photos, and here we are. There it is. This is our photo which we took before. Awesome, isn't it? But there's more. This is the standard screenshot. If you like to capture your all device movement, etc. on the screen, you can handle this like this. First set, we go to settings. Then go to control center. And then we have first to choose the right app for it. Then we have here the torch, timer, calculated, camera. Let's remove the calculator. And now we are looking here in more controls. We are searching for the capture, the screen recording app here. Screen recording, make plus. Now it's here, screen recording. Awesome, isn't it? Now go out and swipe from the right upper corner down. And you will see this button here. It's a circle and a dot in the center. This is the capture program, the capture app. The capture begins if you push there. So let's push, and you see we have 1 second, 3 seconds, etc. Now we are capturing. Here you can see it's still capturing now our movement, and everything what we are going to do will be captured immediately. If we finished it, for example, we go to our photos a little bit, so go down, go back, etc. Then you push again on the left upper side, screen recording, stop screen recording, stop it. And then the screen recording video saved to photos. Awesome, isn't it? Let's go to photos, and here it comes. There it is, our screen capturing. Awesome, isn't it? That it is. Here we will see now everything is captured what we are going to done before. Awesome. That's really awesome. And you can have more function. You can also record the sound. No problem with that. That means we push here and then start recording, screen recording, microphone off and or microphone on. So now let's make a screen recording with the mic on. So let's start recording. 3, 2, 1, ignition. Now it is recording, as you can see. And we can record now what we are going to do on the screen, and it will uses the mic to get the sound with it. So stop recording, and now go to photos. Recording, as you can see, and we can record now what we are going to do on the screen, and it will uses the mic to get the sound with it. That's awesome, isn't it? These are onboard services by your Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's awesome. How to take a screenshot and how to capture your screen with sound. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.